The company that I'm pitching is called Core Molding Technologies. So this is actually an interesting company because I'm pitching you a stock that's already been up 10x over the past year, right? And at first you'd think, has very little room to move up. But I think it has way more upside than downside. It's a very small company. Its cap is roughly, it's 114 million market cap. There are no institutional coverage, and low trading volume has 20 to 23,000 shares traded per day. And it's a run-of-the-mill injected molded plastics manufacturer. And it isn't the sexiest business, but they have basically consolidated a lot of their supply chain issues in the past 2 years. I don't have the time to go into it, but they were doing really poorly in the past 2 to 3 years, but have consolidated a lot of their supply chain problems, have restructured their debt in a low interest rate environment. And their biggest customers are Navistar, Volvo, and other trucking companies. 5 customers account for 10%, but no single customer accounts for more than 20%. So there's concentration risk in industry, but they have customer diversity. One of the best things about them actually is the fact that they had huge operational troubles in the past year. And a bunch of their customers tried to separate out business from them because they thought it was a trash company. It turns out that this company, Core Molding Tech, has had such a chokehold on industry that Volvo tried to pull out and couldn't find anyone to replace them, right? And in the past year, they have basically improved a lot of their structuring in terms of their selling general administrative expenses. Their revenue has gone up quarter on quarter, and the management team has done a really good job of passing on a lot of the profit into their business in a way that essentially makes them more efficient. For me, the biggest thing about this company is that the upside in terms of book value is really high. I think bull case could easily reach 30, bear case $5, and right now it's trading at around 12. Oh, sorry, I guess it's over. But just wanted to say it's not the cheapest stock ever, but it has a lot of upside, very unnoticed, and has a strong chokehold in its area.
Great pitch. And as always, if you get cut off, it's